I'm out here today trying to catch some trout in a high country spring creek, and this is a beautiful and stunning place. I got here very early at about 7:30 in the morning. It's about 10 kilometers of walk to get here. This stream is quite magical. Early in the season, you get both browns and rainbows. I'll be using my usual Sage Foundation 5 weight with a Domain 5 reel. I had to cross the forest, get through thick bushes and trees like these.
I then saw a ripple on the surface of the water. I then had a good look for a few minutes and confirmed that there is a fish feeding from the surface. So I then put on a size 12 dry fly. It's a variation of the dad's favorite. The first 3 casts, nothing happened. I thought I might have spooked the fish.
Got ya. Good fish. Definitely a good fish.
It went downstream pretty quickly and it feels a lot heavier. I've only got a 5-pound tippet and it could break at any time.
Wow. Rainbow. Never expected a rainbow help here. Good fish. Let's weigh this fish. 4.5 pounds.
This trout have been feeding on the mayflies, and the mayflies here are generally pretty big, size 10 to size 14. What a beautiful high country rainbow trout from a spring creek.
Got ya. Small fish, but nonetheless, still a fish. Good fish. Healthy fish. Good size fish. Came out and took my dry fly. Good fish. See ya. Yeah, that was a feisty brown. I know this convergence here always looks very fishy, so I've put on a dry fly and had 2 takes, and the second one was a about 9-10 inch brown. Very feisty brown.
I saw another fish feeding underneath the trees, so I've decided to put on an Adams.
Got ya.
After I landed the fish, I just realized my camera wasn't recording. It's a beautiful brown trout that weighs just over 5 pounds. There were a few more fish further up, so I've decided to fish higher up.
Got ya this time. Good fish. Beautiful fish. Nice, beautiful fish, just under 3 pounds. Look at that. I'll let it go. That nice fish took my dry fly was a royal wolf. Might as well stop for a break. Have a bit of water. I've got this live straw which purifies all the water by 99.9%. Good stuff. That means I don't have to carry water with me, which is a dead weight. Right, let's carry on. It's a very technical stream. Definitely not recommended for new fly fisher. There's a lot of roll casts, bow and arrow, a lot of trees and shrubs and things around you. It's very difficult to do a proper back cast.
Here I can see a fish under the barber line. It's not rising. And the cast is quite challenging because it's just underneath that branch, and there's a high chance that I might get stuck somewhere. I've decided to use a hand copper with a bead head.
Got ya. Nice brown. Good fish. High country brown.
The line got wrapped around.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Just over 3 pounds. That's a nice confluence. Hopefully we'll see a few fish here. So I've got like a dad's favorite variation on. It's a size 14, I believe. You can see there's a fish there. It's quite close to the surface, and just now it came up and took something. So it's definitely a rising fish. Just gonna give it a cast. Got ya. good fish. Definitely a good fish. Strong fish, very strong fish. That was pretty cool. That fish took my dry fly. It's a dad's favorite, and it took it on the first cast. Literally, I landed the fly on its nose and it came out and took it. Beautiful fish. It's just over 4 pounds. At this bend here, I can see a few fish rising. There's at least 3 of them that I can see. Let's start from the bottom. Couldn't take it. Must be a small fish. The one in the front is a big fish. So I've got a royal wolf, hoping to catch that bigger one. Looks like a 4 or 5 pounder, the size of its mouth. Got ya. Not a very big fish at all. I thought it was a big fish. Maybe it's a different one. Beautiful fish. Got one. Oh. Got ya, finally. Wow. My goodness, I lost the fish. There's a lot of mayflies and quite a few fish rising here. I think these fish are not that big, but I hooked 2 of them and just using a hook that doesn't want to set. I've got a Adam's parachute. Lost 2 fish in a row and didn't know what's going on. I thought it was the problem with my strike and handling of the fish, but apparently the last fish has straightened the hook. Look at that. That's what the hook looks like now. That's why I've been losing fish. Spotted a fish right there. So I'm gonna use the dry fly. Got ya. Good fish. Looks like a rainbow. It is a rainbow. Skinny. Not the rainbow, it's a brown. Good brown. Shit. Oh, big fish. This is a good fish. Big fish. Good one. Beautiful fish. It has been an awesome day, and this season has been amazing. I looked at my log. I think I've hooked more than 160 fish, but landed about 90 something fish. Not a very good ratio, but yeah, no complaints. Tight lines.